right, we've got a thumbs up on the field. Let's get this match started. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match number 11, our blue alliance coming out into the center of the field. 1-1-5-5, this Arbor is doing much of the same. Surfing around all those fuel in the center as human players on both alliances take their shots here in auto. Blue alliance pulling ahead just a bit. Getting that lead in autonomous, getting them up for the tele-operated period. 1922 coming out one last time into the center as drivers take control and we enter the tele-op period here in match number 11 at BattleCry. Red having won that auto war means, blue having won that auto war means that red is going to take that first active shift here. Red Alliance 155 going up and in, taking those fuel from that depot. 4176 ferrying fuel from the red side of the field to the blue side of the field, setting them up for a successful active period for the Blue Alliance. 1922 and 238 also on blue, having some trouble with that part of the field, but they make it over the bump into their own alliance zone right as it becomes active. Shots going in, trying to take more of a lead, 92-19 in favor of blue at the moment, but there's still 1 minute and 35 seconds left on the clock. Red running the same strategy as blue, making sure that they have as many fuel in their zone as possible. As blue takes shots up and in. Red hub now active, they can try to make up that lead that blue has, and 1155 sure does. Hopper full of fuel, trying to line themselves up for shots into the hub. Human players going up and in. The ultimate teamwork between man and machine. 4575. Roaming around, pushing fuel into the active zone from 1155 to score. Blue taking advantage of this inactive period, setting themselves up once again. Osram's going up and in, a solid stream of fuel into their hub, keeping that lead of 192 points, trying to get those 190 fuel scored in the hub for that energized ranking point. Defense in the field from 4575 and 1922. 4575 blocking off one part of the field, blocking off that bump, making it harder for the Blue Alliance to enter their zone as we enter the endgame and both hubs come alive. Blue human players going up and in, red human players going up and in. Blue has that energized ranking point. They're trying to go for that supercharge with 360. They're currently at 241 with 15 seconds left in the match. All three of our Blue Alliance teams going for the BattleCry dot in the center, getting that transversal ranking point as well in 3. Scores going up on the big board. That's going to be Blue Alliance with their score of 330 to Red's 30. Blue is taking home 5 ranking points for the win. 3 for the win, 1 for energized, and 1 for transversal. Once again, your robot has to be covering the entirety of the BattleCry dot, and with 60